In this video, we are going to see about an Android app for attendance, and this is the project workflow. Here, the admin is the user, so the admin first register that account. After that, by using the registration process, they have a username and password. Through that, they can log in into the account. So the admin can be the lecture staff, anyone. So only the lecture staffs can use this registration process and login process. So they want to add the student. After adding the student, they want to make the attendance list and verify the information through that making attendance list. After that, the list must be shared to chat in various ways like WhatsApp, email, so attaching the file. After that, they want to create the file through that app. Here, this is the attendance app. So in this app, first at the right corner we have a plus icon. So we want to add the user. I'm going to add the user as admin. So now the user is added. First, my registration process is done. After that, I'm going to do my login process. So here comes the login process. So my username is admin and I'm giving my password. Submit. So here I have at the right corner adding the student process. So we have two processes in this, adding the student and making the attendance. So I'm adding the student with register number, name, username, contact number, giving the semester, year, address, add user. So now after the process of adding, here in the information we can go and see that Niveda has not attended any lectures. It shows that. So now I want to add the attendance. So make a attendance list. I'm going to add the attendance. So here I'm adding the add attendance. So at the right corner I have the square bracket square. So I'm touching this. Now the attendance is made it. I'm going to it shows that Niveda semester 1 subject 1 lecture. So attendance is shown that here we can see the information that Nivi was present on 25/10 for subject 1 of semester 1. So here we can share this information to WhatsApp, share it, Gmail, Hangout, Bluetooth. So we can attach the files. After that, I'm going to add the another student. Semester, year, address. add the user. So I'm going to add the we can select the date, yesterday's date or today's date, anything we can select here through this select date option. So I'm going to add the attendance. Now the attendance is added to Niveta and Arul. So you can go and see the information that Nivi was present on 25/10 for subject 2 of semester 1. So we can add many student to many subject through this app. So in Arul you can see that information that Arul was present on 25/10/2016 for subject 2 of semester 1. Okay, I'm doing another process for student 3. Here I am adding another student name, after name a username and contact number. Here we have a semester, so we can select any semester and year. So there must be a one admin for many students, so the teachers can use this app and they can put attendance and share the attendance to all over the process of institution. After that I'm doing add user. So here you're going to add the attendance. By making attendance we can select many students. By clicking a one attendance process to a one professor, we can add the subjects, date and semester. We can add the attendance to 3 students. So I'm going to add those 3 which was display on the screen. So Niveta, Arul and Ramya shows that. So you can view the informations that. So it shows that three subjects for semester 1 one subject, and semester 1 2 subject, and semester 3 11 subjects. Like this we can view in Arul that 2 presentations for semester 1 and semester 2. So we can add the information, a particular information to a whole class or whole college through this app. So it shows that Ramya was present on 25 for semester 3 at subject 11. So this is the process. First you should register. So you can be a lecturer. So the admin can be a lecturer or a staff or a HOD. So this is the registration process by giving the username and password. So I'm giving another staff. So add user. Now I'm going to add the student through this staff login process. So submit. Now I'm going to add student as staff. So this is the staff process. So now the staff is adding the student. So I'm giving the contact number, semester, year, and giving the address. So now the address, now the student is added. So make sure of giving the attendance. So attendance is also added. Now this staff is assigning the students who are added for the process. So I'm adding all the students. Now you can go and see that this information for 3 subjects, here it's for 3 subjects. So all the persons are added for the attendance. So after the added the students, added the list, the informations can be viewed. So in this process you can view the information in this eye icon. So at the top you have the icon to view the information. After viewing the information you can share the information. So through this icon you can share the information through this sharing process.